Today we have a walking tour of big machines. I got Mike with me as well because I don't know nearly as much as this young man does, so I'm excited to learn. I hope you are as well. Big machines are some of my favorite because we're making massive parts typically, but sometimes we can put multiple little parts on there and do a little bit of multitasking as well. But today, starting off, we have a huge tombstone right behind us. Mike, what machine are we looking at? Horizontal machining, what can it do for us?
So this machine is the DHF 8000. We make other sizes and whatnot. The large pallet, we can do multi front back, and then you have another pallet, you can switch them out. The best part is you can load her up and run on the backside to keep things going. Everything from a little bit of aerospace, medical, and all that we can do on this machine. It's kind of one of those catch-alls. Not like our mill turn, but something for a different industry and tailored for that industry.
Yeah, I love a horizontal machine with a giant pallet change. We're slowly starting to walk just in case our camera guy wants to look inside as well. But when I think about what you just described, it's like automation built within itself, right? When
Correct.
I see a machine this big, I know my parts are going to be pretty darn big, which usually are going to be large cycle times.
Right.
Or if it's not a big part, I can put a bunch of parts on there at the same time, but it's still going to be a long cycle time. So I can set front and back up, two different tombstones, and kind of run through the nights and weekends as I need to, right? So we have automation built in.
Pretty much.
Did I say that okay?
Yeah, I think you hit it right on the nose, my friend.
I appreciate that. Now we're getting into the 5-axis world. Love 5-axis, and you are doing a lot of aerospace work in here. There was a great demo today as well, but 5-axis work, let's talk a little bit about this machine as well.
So Siemens control, like we did on other machines on the floor today. Multitasking, it's a 5-axis with turning.
Ah, I love those
So I
guys.
can turn and be a 5-axis machine. So again, multi-purpose for a customer can set up on one production run and then change their production run. It's a win-win.
Yeah.
We make a 65 and we make an 8000. Between the two combos, we can load her from the top, overhead crane like we have here in the building. The part in here weighed over 2,000 pounds when we started. Dropped her in, shut the door, and we launched.
Any idea what the weight is?
Now, I believe she started at 2,000.
Yeah.
We're about 1,000, give or take.
You're making some chips on that
Yeah,
bad boy.
we cleaned her out before the show.
And one of my favorite things to watch, I think it's a little bit mesmerizing, is when that 5-axis does that turning, right?
Well, but
When
then
it
you got the
starts-
table.
Yeah.
Then you got the table. So she looks busy. And that's what we want to see.
It's a very cool thing. And that's again, that's how we're doing more inside of one machine. Now, as we walk up to this one, Mike, either we're getting smaller or the machines are getting bigger, because this thing's about the size of my apartment. I gotta be honest. This is a big machine meant to do heavy duty work.
So the DBC 130 also does a palletized system. So you got this big table. You can also, like we've been talking, a little automation, but non-automation. Pallets, you can load them, but usually big parts, so big cast parts. So we added our soft opening here back in September. Big cast iron piping, be underground piping. Build up the table. This is a die. I've got 3 of these in the back. We're doing some turnkey stuff for them in long term. But you can set up on this thing. We got other options for it. But big stuff, big stuff.
I saw you load this one without a crane. Just you picked it up earlier
yeah.
and loaded it in, right?
Yeah, that was minus the Red Bull too.
Yeah, minus the Red Bull. I thought I saw that. I thought that was you. All right, we're pulling up on the last one here. I think we're doing great on timing for the audience to have questions and be able to leave it in the comments as well. But we're pulling up on this last one here. I love this type of machine as well. Really great for the molded die industry, I believe.
Correct.
That high precision that we need. And roughing out and hogging when we need it as well.
That's right. Now this machine, be the DBM, we make a few different sizes, but this is old school machining where they'd have the table, go front and back, big parts. Now our customers generally, the concrete that goes underneath her is a massive amount of work, but this machine runs 30, 40 years.
And I've seen them doing exactly
This
that.
would be like an old Ingersoll machine back in the day.
Right.
But we have our typical, since the industry's kind of a mixed right now, we have a battery box or a battery tray. Not from anybody we know, of course, we got to keep that secretive, but a general aluminum part, very small. We have 2 of these that we had here. We had to remove the other one last week. But again, a very multi-purpose based on the machine. Old school or not, still needed.
100% still needed. And what I love about this machine is that you can put a huge part on it if you need to. But let's say the huge parts are next week. I can drop 3, 4 parts on this thing and also continue keeping those long long cycle times and being productive as well. And
Correct.
that's one of the bonuses to this style machine also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It is. The best part of it, we have it here at DN Solution.
Yeah, you do. And that's definitely the best part for us. Definitely for the best part for these people watching right now.
Yes.
This is the big machine tour. I know you want to know more, but Mike and I, we just wanted to wet your whistle a little bit and get you excited about what's going on. If you want to know more, you know where to find DN. You can go to Google, you can go to their website, you can go to Mike's home address. All of them, you'll find the answers that you need. Thank you all for watching. Tune in again soon. We have so much more content coming to you. Mike, always a pleasure, my friend.
Always, my
Thank
friend.
you so much
Thank
for the
you.
education.
Always.